That healthy goodness. Natto Kimchi Koso Genmai bowl. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Hachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of Live Wiser, Not Smarter. I've been sharing with you Donburi Revolution, which is Koso Genmai Donburi, making donburi using Koso Genmai. And you can make regular donburi such as gyudon, katsudon, oyakodon, and tendon using Koso Genmai. But I have been sharing with you healthier recipes such as natto avocado donburi, Japanese breakfast donburi, mushroom donburi, and healthy Oyakodon. Today, I'll be sharing with you how to make Natto Kimchi Donburi. And this is the easiest Koso Genmai donburi you can make. Now, other donburis are all healthy and nutritious, but this one is both nutritious and easy to make. So if you don't have a lot of time to prepare the ingredients and things, then yeah, make this one. Then it is nutritious enough and it's very quick to make. So if you don't know how to do that, please watch the video until the end. Thank you. Now, those of you who just discovered this video today, this is the Ikigai Diet channel, which is a health and longevity channel. We usually cover things like diet, exercise, mindset, and sometimes we cover Japanese blue zones because there are several blue zones in Japan other than Okinawa, and we cover from traditional Japanese health method to modern Japanese health trend such as kyokatsu. So basically, this is a channel about how to increase health span, especially for people over 50 or 60. So if you're interested, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now, this super donburi is fermented torio. That is natto, kimchi, and koso genmai. They are all fermented food. And natto uses natto bacteria, Bacillus subtilis, and kimchi uses lactic acid bacteria, and koso genmai uses brown rice bacteria. So three different kinds of bacteria. And that is the key because you want to have gut microbiome diversity, which means you want to have bacteria diversity as probiotics. And this Koso Genmai is not a regular Koso Genmai. My Koso Genmai is not a regular Koso Genmai. It's a special one. It is fiber-rich Koso Genmai. So it has brown rice and azuki beans. Now, that is the usual way. We make Koso Genmai using brown rice, azuki beans, and salt. And then we usually soak them in water, purified water, for about 12 hours. Then we cook it. And then after we put it in jar rice cooker at a warm setting, the keep warm function, and we leave it there for about 3 days. Then the brown rice get fermented and becomes koso genmai. However, this one has some other ingredient. This one's got barley and pearl barley. So brown rice, azuki beans, barley, pearl barley, they all have a lot of highly fermentable fiber, which can feed butyrate-producing bacteria. You know about butyrate-producing bacteria, right? I have talked about it so many times in this channel. This is known as longevity bacteria. It became famous because it was discovered abundant in the gut of Japanese centenarians, especially in Kyotango region in Japan. Kyotango is in the spotlight at the moment because it has 3 times as many centenarians as the national average. And they have a lot of butyrate producing bacteria. So the key to longevity is to have a lot of butyrate-producing bacteria, and you want to increase this bacteria in your gut. And how to do it? You need highly fermentable fiber. Now, for details about the butyrate-producing bacteria, please watch this video. The actual title is How to Increase the Longevity Bacteria Found in Japanese Centenarians. Now, why the fermented trio is so powerful, apart from having, fiber-rich ingredient in Koso Genmai, by combining with natto and kimchi, it becomes even more powerful. Number one, gut health. Each food provides diverse beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome, aiding digestion and overall well-being. Two, nutrient absorption. Fermentation enhances the bioavailability of nutrients in the ingredients, making them easier for your body to absorb. Unique flavors. The combination of natto, kimchi, and koso genmai creates a complex and satisfying flavor profile that's both delicious and nutritious. Easy to make. It is probably the easiest koso genmai donburi you can make. Therefore, it is both nutritious and easy to make. Today, I won't be sharing with you how to make koso genmai itself. So for the details of how to make koso genmai, please watch my other video called How to Make Koso Genmai Fermented Brown Rice. I put the link below in the description box. So now, how to make Natto Kimchi Koso Genmai bowl. It is very simple and easy to make. So you need donburi with Koso Genmai, kimchi, natto, and soy sauce. So first, you want to take natto out of the fridge 20 minutes before you want to eat it. Then after about 20 minutes, you want to stir natto. You want to stir natto about 100 times. It creates umami flavor. Then you want to pour soy sauce over the natto and stir them again. Just like that. And then you want to put natto over the koso genmai. Like that. Then next, you want to add kimchi beside natto. Just like that. That's it. That is Natto Kimchi Koso Genmai bowl. Alright, I will try it. So you can actually put raw egg if you like, or nori, spring onions, anything you like, yeah? But just natto and kimchi themselves are just fine, and it's very easy to make. So this time I'll just put only natto and kimchi, and you can mix them together to eat it, or you can just eat it as they are. Very good. Yeah, I like the combination of kimchi, natto, and koso genmai. They go very well together. If you're interested in natto dishes, I have tons of natto recipes in my book, Natto Unleashed. I have many Japanese recipes and Western recipes using
natto. So please read the book. Thank you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Hachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of Live Wiser, Not Smarter. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Have you ever tried Natto Kimchi Donburi? Whether it is using Koso Genmai or regular rice or anything, because natto kimchi with white rice is very common in Japan. If you have lived in Japan or been to Japan, you may have tried it. So please share your experiences in the comment below. Thank you. Well, I will see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!